Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, another panty haul, of course, panty haul, another new panties again. So I went to the store today, yes, to the shop, and I bought some panties again, of course. Sige, dalawa. I bought two. Ito yellow. Okay, isa muna. Ito yung yellow. I like this one. Okay, I like this one, guys. See? Very nice. Of course, I like yellow, so it's yellow. Yellow siya, low cut. Ayan, tanawa, guys. The size is okay, medium, but I know this is fit to me, okay? Sige. And then, guys, I am very happy also because 100% cotton. Yes, this is 100% cotton, and then tanawa, ha, maganda din yung kanyang quality. So this one is how much? Okay, this one is 29 pesos. Okay, I think 40% US 40 cents US dollar. Okay, so let's remove this para hindi na siya ano. Okay, so this one first. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys, and comment below, okay? And tell me what is the best color for me, okay? So next time I will buy. So ayan, for the don't forget to comment, ha. I will wait for your comment. I will read it, okay? So this is the second one. Parang polka dot siya, tanawa good. Polka dot ninang, oo. And then maganda yung kanyang quality. Ayan, look at this. May ano din siya. And then I really like it so much. Diba? Ganda niya. And then yes, tanggal pala natin yung price. This is for 29 pesos also. 29 pesos, 40 cents. Tanggalon natin to. Like and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Ayan na. Hindi lang natin tanggalin, masira pa na. Masira pa to. Ito na lang tanggalin natin. Let's move this, okay? So ayan, same sila ng cut. Parang small cut siya, guys. Tanawa, good. Very nice din ang kanyang, ayan, tanawa. I really like this one. Oo. This is very ano lang siya na manipis, okay? Thin style, okay? So yeah, good quality, I can say. Pwede na siya. This is good for everyday. Everyday panty, or if you have menstruation panty, no, me pala. Yeah, so this one, okay, let's wear na. Suot na natin to siya, guys, because excited na ako. I'm excited to wear this. Okay. So this one, guys, I like it. Ayan. Kita na nyo siya, it's fit. Fit siya sa akin, guys. Maganda ang kanyang I like this one, the linings, guys. Ayan siya, diba maganda? I like it, guys, and our good. I like also the color white and yellow, diba? So, I like it also. It's fit also. It's fit siya, guys. And yeah, maganda siya, guys. I like it. Ayan ang kanyang linings, guys. It's nice. Maganda siya. Ayan. Ayan, tumaba lang ko gamay. Tumaba ako, guys. But anyway, it's fine. Ayan. Maganda siya, guys. Diba? I like the color, and the fittings also is nice. Good. Everything is good, guys. Nice, right?